Birds come to earth with nothing to learn. They're only here to teach. And certain birds fly along the ley lines, lighting them up and spreading peace. They are messengers for the angels. And it is glorious when you connect with the bird kingdom. So let's do that. Just take a moment to close your eyes if you wish to. Ground yourself, feel your feet flat on the floor, really earthed. And let yourself relax. Take a deep breath and let go of the outside world. In your inner world, find yourself in a beautiful glade in the country with a lazy, meandering river flowing through it, sparkling in the sunlight. There are flowers on the banks and trees, and the sky is a beautiful, peaceful blue. And as you rest and relax, be aware of glorious, angelic energy approaching. And you see that it is the extraordinary high frequency Bokbi, who is in charge of the bird kingdom, and he is from the seraphim realms. He is almost transparent and is absolutely enormous. But he brings his energy down to a size you can accept and is in front of you now. He looks into your soul with bright blue eyes. Tell him that your intention is to spread peace round the world, especially to Ukraine. He hears you, and he changes his colour to a soft, peaceful shade, whatever feels peaceful for you. Suddenly you're aware of the air full of whirling birds' wings, birds of every shape, size and colour. Water birds arriving, white herons and ibis, jewel-coloured kingfishers, gulls and an albatross. There are birds sitting in the trees. There are eagles floating in the sky, swallows, kites, a myriad of birds. On the grass and in the bushes, there are tiny little wrens darting about. Robins, friendly, skylarks singing, and all are watching you, waiting, and the bird song ceases for a moment. And then a golden white angel of peace enters the glade. And following the angel are the birds who particularly work with angels of peace. These are ducks, pigeons, doves, partridges, plovers, grouse, and pheasants. Wherever they go, they take love and peace and endeavour to pass it to people. The angels and the birds are looking at you expectantly. You tell them of your vision for world peace, your vision for love and harmlessness in the hearts of humanity and animals alike, of everyone living and working together as one for the highest good, and of peace in Ukraine. And suddenly, a wonderful thing happens. The heart centers of all the birds light up. Feel the love and peace they radiate. And they send the message of peace to other birds round the world. And the intention of peace spreads. Birds everywhere, all over the world, have received it, and they are radiating peace to people and animals. Take a moment to sense the message being received. Every bird in the Ukraine is receiving the message of peace and ready to pass it on through song or through their presence. Birds now are flying up to the soldiers and to anyone in conflict, and gently passing a message of peace to them. See it happening. White doves are flying over Russia and Ukraine and dropping white feathers of peace over the people. Just be aware of it. And then the migrating birds rise as one, and they stream over the ley lines of the world. As they fly together above the ley lines, they are sending light and peace and harmlessness into the ley lines. Ley lines ignite everywhere and radiate golden white peace. Just know that the planet is waking up to the joy of peace. And the angel of peace puts a cocoon of peace around you and lifts you above the world, high, high above the world. And you look down from the safety of your angel and see ley lines crisscrossing the planet, all radiating golden white peace. And you see people everywhere at peace. And you ask the birds, please, in the name of love and peace, to continue to sing peace to people and to spread the energy of peace with their presence. So bless and thank those birds. Thank the great seraphim Bokbi, who is in charge of the bird kingdom. Thank the angels of peace. When you are ready, just take your time to open your eyes. Feel the peace of the energy around you. And know you are working with so many beings of light in so many forms to bring peace to Ukraine and to the world. Bless you.